Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been posted for a while, just not been feeling like it, but today got something special. It's one day, and with some of my friends, we're talking about getting into the film photography. Sorry, just some siren going by. We good. So we were thinking, let's just buy the camera and buy some film and just jump right into it. Since we all kind of want to do it, I didn't really want to do it, and then after talking to my friend, I said, oh, that do sounds cool. So I went on eBay, bought a camera and bought a lens, and they're both here today. So I'm gonna open it up. I don't have film yet, so I cannot shoot, but I'm gonna open it up, so it will be an unbox video. Alright, the first thing first, I believe this is the lens. Yes, international. Okay, so I bought this on eBay. It shows it's shipped from Japan, somewhere in Japan. I forgot which city it is, and it got here in 4 days. Okay, this lens, I bought lens and camera body are separate. This lens is from Kansas. Okay, it's from Kansas, and it got here about the same time. So this international package from Japan got here before this, and even before my Amazon Prime order, which is absurd. It's in 4 days from Japan. So let's open it. There we go. Some, what's this? Envelope with whatever that is. Like a thank you note. So I bought a Canon AE-1. I think that's one of the most popular camera to buy for the film. And be more specific, AE-1 Program. You can see it right here. I don't know if we can focus. So AE-1 Program. This is it smells like an old camera. I don't think it has film. Yeah, I don't think it has film in it. Yep. It doesn't have film in it. Let's open this up. Okay, it looks really clean. It looks really clean. Not a lot of scratches. I probably clean it up with some alcohol wipes. That will be my job for the next few days. Am I doing this wrong? All right, let's open the lens cap. Yeah, it is really a really clean camera. I'm kind of surprised. This looks really clean. Good. Okay, let's put this camera aside. Let's open the lens. The lens I bought, what was it? A Canon FD mount. All the Canon film cameras FD mount. 50mm 1.4. So it's a really big aperture, and it's from eBay website. It seems really clean too, and it has a really big aperture with a pretty fairly priced, 70 bucks. So not too bad. Let's see what's in here. More packing, receipt, and let's open this up. Yeah, I don't really enjoy that sound. It looks like a really clean lens. The focus ring is smooth. It doesn't grind. So that's good. The aperture, how the aperture work? The aperture is now closing. Like when I turn it, nothing happens. I hope it's not broken. If I need to shoot wide open all the time, I don't think I will mind it. Just gonna be annoying. Maybe I need to put it on. Let's put it on. So it lines up a dot, I believe, and you twist the ring. Okay, we're talking. Does it have any battery in it? Where's the door for battery? This is so new for me. Hey, okay, it doesn't have a battery in it, so I probably need to go get a battery before I can do anything with this. So yeah, as I say, I just get into film, want to get into film, so really no idea what all the buttons do, all of this, whatever that means. It's A. I know you can wind the film with this, and that's about it. You load it, shoot it, but it's not loading right now, probably because I don't have any battery in it. That's the camera. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. It's just a really nice little YouTube video I do now and then. And hope you enjoyed it. And see you next time. Next time probably it's me using this thing. Oh, do have a dent right here. It's a pretty big dent right here. I didn't see it earlier, but it doesn't affect how I use it, but kind of hurt a little bit. But in general, the camera is really clean, and I love how clean it is. That's it for this week, and see you next time.